Hello everyone, welcome to Back Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the vibration plate exercise machine. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. If you're looking for a versatile and low-impact way to boost your fitness routine, the LifePro Waver vibration plate exercise machine might just be the tool you need. Designed to enhance your workouts through vibration technology, this compact yet powerful machine helps activate more muscle groups with less effort, making it ideal for users of all fitness levels. Product features: full body workout with vibration technology. The LifePro Waver uses dynamic vibration technology to stimulate muscle contractions throughout your body. This helps improve muscle tone, burn fat, and boost overall fitness without putting too much strain on your joints. 99 speed settings for customizable intensity. With 99 adjustable speed levels, you can personalize your workout experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, you'll find a setting that suits your needs and pushes your limits. Built-in wheels for easy portability. Need to move your equipment between rooms? No problem. The built-in wheels make it easy to transport and store, even in smaller living spaces. User-friendly remote and display panel. The simple remote control and clear LED display let you change settings and track time or speed without interrupting your workout. Resistance bands and yoga straps included. Expand your routine with the included yoga straps and resistance bands, which allow you to target your upper body, arms, and core for a more complete workout. Access to online workouts and support. LifePro offers free access to professional online training videos, a detailed user manual, and live support to help you stay motivated and get the most out of your machine. Pros: low impact, full body exercise, great for muscle activation with minimal joint stress. Highly adjustable speed settings. 99 levels offer precision control for all fitness levels. Compact and portable, easy to move around thanks to built-in wheels. Comprehensive accessory package includes yoga straps and resistance bands. Beginner-friendly resources, access to online workouts, and support ensures proper use. Stable and durable build solid construction provides a safe and stable workout platform. Cons: can be noisy on higher speeds. Some users may notice vibrations causing sound at max intensity. Learning curve for new users. Beginners may need time to adapt to proper form and usage. Not a substitute for traditional cardio, best used as a complement to other forms of exercise. Final thoughts. The LifePro Waver vibration plate is a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their home workout routine, especially if joint health or space is a concern. With a wide speed range, included accessories, and user-friendly controls, it provides excellent value and functionality. While it's not a complete replacement for traditional workouts, it works perfectly as a supplement to strength training, stretching, and toning routines. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Best Product.